Hello, welcome.
Hi everyone, welcome.
I'm Meena.
And I'm Brigitte.
Okay, and today we're going to be talking to you about 5 reasons why you might be low on energy. So, do you ever get low on energy, Bringy?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
I think everyone does.
Yeah.
At some stage, everyone does.
Yeah, I think it's a very common problem nowadays. And there's plenty of reasons why you could be low on energy. We're going to talk about just 5 of them today. I think they're the 5 top reasons. So we'll get straight into it. The first reason could be that you're not getting enough high quality sleep. So a lot of people might say, oh, well, I sleep in. I sleep maybe 10 hours, 11 hours. Some people only sleep, 3-4 hours and get by. But I think it's important to get between 7.5 to 8 hours every night, high quality sleep. So, do you know what high quality sleep is? No? High quality sleep is being able to sleep and waking up and you feel rested. A lot of the times we can sleep and then we feel like we need more sleep. So a couple of ways to do that is, making sure that the room is the right temperature. If you've got air conditioning, make sure it's not too cool, not too hot. Getting a bit of air circulation in there so that you're able to breathe. You don't wake up in a cloud of carbon dioxide, right? And you're not choking yourself. Brigitte, do you do anything to prepare for sleep?
Yes, just recently started, maybe a year ago, really started to do meditation, even 10 minutes. So I consciously try to relax my whole body from toe to head, and it's actually really helping me instead of going to social media before I go to sleep. No, so I need to really calm my mind down instead of just to really feel rested, even if it's just 6 or 7 hours of sleep.
That's right. I think that's a great thing to do because nowadays we're very high paced throughout the day. Our brains are going at 1,000,000 miles an hour and we're bombarded with everything. And then we come home and, it's good to sort of clear your mind before you go to sleep. Allows you to have a much restful sleep. Yeah.
I agree.
Now, the second reason is you might not be getting enough calories. Now, I know that seems a bit of a weird one, but a lot of people these days are dieting, right? And they're trying to eat healthier, so they eat less. And personally, I don't like the whole premise of eat less, move more. It should be eat more, move more. Should be eating more of the right food. So a lot of people are eating less, which means that you're also giving your body less fuel. So you're not getting the right amount of stuff in, and then you're going out there and moving, and so your body's feeling a bit drained. You could be in starvation mode, and so you're not getting enough energy or fuel for your body, and that's one of the reasons why you could be low on energy.
And yes, I really believe in rebalancing your body and really get to know your body and what works for it, and everything in moderation and in balance.
Absolutely. Now, the third reason is you could not be getting enough water. So hydration is very important. How much water should we be drinking?
1 liter. We should be drinking 1 liter after every 25 kilograms of our body weight. Okay. So for example, if I'm 50 kilos, then I need to drink 2 liters per day. It's a daily thing, not just once a week, daily.
Yeah. Now that means, of course, if you're not drinking that much water, don't go out and try and drink 2 liters immediately. It's something that you should build up towards. Also have a look and see what you're drinking throughout the day. If you're drinking stuff like coffee, which actually dehydrates you, you might want to cut back and maybe drink in a bit more, maybe green tea. Green tea has a lot of antioxidants in it, which hydrates you. And just build up to it. Your body is made of water. All your cells use water so they can replenish themselves. So it's important to make sure that your hydration levels are up. And when your body does what it needs to do, you'll find that your energy levels increase as well. So as your hydration levels come up, one of the biggest things that people experience is a massive boost in energy. Yeah?
Next.
Yeah. Reason number 4 says there, not enough protein. So protein is one of your macronutrients, or one of the things that you should be getting massive amounts of in your nutrition. And a lot of people don't focus on protein. And what that does is protein helps you maintain your muscle mass. It helps you curb your hunger. And if you're not getting enough, you're going to feel like you're low on energy. Yeah?
Yes, I used to dislike protein. Now I like it because I know what it means if I don't put enough protein into my body. So I personally need about 90 grams per day, and and I try to have it with every meal. And if I don't have protein with one of my meals, I feel it like, oh my God, I get hunger quicker, and I just reach for something junk and convenient. So protein is important.
Yeah. One of the small things you could do is switch your snacks to protein. So instead of snacking on sugary treats and things that'll spike your blood sugar and they give you short bursts of energy, you could look at switching to protein-based snacks like tuna, eggs, almonds, things like that. And that will get your long-term energy up, and you'll find that you're not really hungry that much more. You're not snacking on sugary treats. And by the end of the day, after dinner, a lot of us, if we're not getting enough protein throughout the day, we tend to get those cravings at the end of the day after dinner for sugary treats. It could be because you're not having enough protein throughout the day. So that's very good to have for your energy cycles. Now, the last thing is on the bottom of the list there, you can see relying too much on energy drinks. So I don't know about you guys, but I used to be one person who buys energy drinks in bulk. I used to go to the supermarket, especially when it's on special, and buy boxfuls of V and Red Bull and stock up on that. And what it does is it spikes your energy, spikes your blood sugar through the roof, and then you come crashing down, and then you take another one and it spikes it through the roof. And it's not very good for your energy levels. I stopped that a long time ago. And I have a client who's actually used to rely on them, and she used to have about 3 or 4 every day, and that put her in the intensive care unit.
Wow.
So she had a stroke. It wasn't a very pleasant experience. So I'm glad to say that with my encouragement and help, she's been off energy drinks for over a year now. She doesn't have soft drinks to help her get energy up throughout the day, and she's feeling a lot better. And when you see her, she's actually glowing, like, you know, her skin's looking a lot better. She's lost weight because she's not on a sugar high and then a sugar low. So it's really good. So yeah, energy drinks are a great way to feel low on energy. So do you ever use them before?
Yes, a long time ago, but not anymore. I felt the difference. Yeah, I got the shaky and the energy, and then I crashed down, and I just felt like it's no good for my heart, and I just didn't. It's just with my body, it just didn't work. Up and down, up and down,
Yeah.
up and down, and it's a long time. It's definitely not working. And now I find a better way to have the energy.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, if you like, guys, reach out to us, and we'll send you a list of 26 foods, natural foods, yummy foods that you can eat every day to raise your energy up. Also, if you benefit from this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up.
Make sure you like, and show us your support by sharing this video with family and friends and liking our page. Make sure you subscribe to the page for future videos. Also, reach out to us if you'd like some more information on some natural supplements that we've actually used and tested, and a lot of our clients used as well, and they're very good for energy. So if you're the kind of person that's relying on sugary treats, or you're relying on Red Bull and V and all these drinks, and you want to switch to something more natural, just reach out to us and we'll shoot you some more information.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
See you next
time. Bye-bye.